everyone, it's Tammy and I have a Trader Joe's haul. I know I'm doing this from my living room, but that's just because I'm more comfortable here for the time being. So let me just go ahead and show you what I got. I have 3 bags. I spent about $100. I think it was $105. I got a little thing of cilantro. This was $1.99. It doesn't look the freshest, and I know that I can get it other places for probably a little bit less. I think my normal is like 99 cents, but it's all right. And here's Jambo trying to check stuff out. I also got a lot of these. These are irresistible, and they're Soterio, and they are just little sticks of salami, and they come in a 2-pack, so you can cut this down the middle, and it comes in a 2-pack. And there's 8 grams of protein, 0 carbs, and 140 calories per one of these packages. So like this is 2 packages, and I love these, and my son loves these. These are really good. I sometimes will take one and dip it in Laughing Cow cheese and eat it that way. It's really, really good. If you guys like salami, I would definitely suggest getting these at Trader Joe's. They are fabulous. So I got 5 of them, which means 10 servings. And I don't know yet how much I'll be able to eat, if I'll even be able to eat one. Let's see. And they're good until the end of March, so I thought that it would be fine to go ahead and have now. I don't see how, like, it says just half a package. It doesn't say in weight or anything how much there is, so I don't know yet how much I'll be able to eat, but like I said, I got 5 packages of those, so a total of 10. I also got, I'm going to be making white chicken chili, so I got this Just Chicken. I thought that I could use that for my white chicken chili. I don't know. I also got some canned chicken that I'll show you here in a minute, so I might even use that and save this for something else. I don't know though. This looks really good, so I think I'll probably use that in the white chicken chili. I'm going to put that to the side. And then also for the white chicken chili, I got some Simply sour cream. This is fat-free, and yeah, I need it. It's 15 calories for 2 tablespoons, 1 carb, 3 proteins. So that's actually not bad stats for sour cream. So that is going to be for the chicken chili. And then also I got some organic light whipped cream cheese. I really like the whipped kind, and this is 2 tablespoons for 60 calories, 3 proteins, 3 carbs. So not great, but it is better than, you know, the full on. And I also need some of that for my white chicken chili, and then I also need some of that for a crab dip that I think I'm going to make for my son. And then we all love the string cheese, so I got some of the light string cheese. This has 6 grams of protein and 60 calories and 1 carb per stick of string cheese. And this is a really good one. I know that I'm a little picky when it comes to string cheese, but I like that one. Let's see, what else did I get? I got a can of crab. This is so good. I've had this before, and I just love it. It's just real crab meat. It's by Chicken of the Sea, and it's claw meat. So this is really good. This is expensive. This is about $15 for a can, but it's a pound of crab meat. So, and 2 ounces is a serving. There's 8 ounces, or there's 8 servings in here. I think it's 45 calories, or I don't think it is 45 calories, 0 carbs, and 11 protein. So pretty good. And here's another thing of crab meat. I thought this would be good. This is lump, blackfin, special, and claw meat. It's just crab, nothing added. It's frozen. I thought that that would be good for just to have around, because I love it. Again, it's 45 calories, 0 carbs, 11 protein. So that should be the same, and it is. So that's good. I got some corn because my family loves corn, and this is the sweet corn, so this is for them, it's not for me. And then some broccoli florets. I thought I might make some broccoli cheese soup, and I can use these florets in that and emulsify it down really well. And then we just needed some milk, so I just got a little quart of milk for the boys. I might actually, excuse me, I might actually use a little bit of that in the, what's it called? White chicken chili. My brain is still not functioning 100% yet. So all of these are refrigerated. I'm going to leave those in here. And I'll take the sour cream and one of the cream cheeses out for the white chicken chili. Okay, so here's some fun stuff. You know, Katie is in college and I like to send her care packages. So she loves these and so does Alex. And they're just gummy tummy penguins. And they really do have like a liquid inside the little penguin gummy bear. It's real, or gummy penguin, I guess. They're really cute and my kids love them. So I got one for each of them. And then I got Katie these plantains. She likes these. So I got those for her. I got these to send to her for Valentine's Day. They're dark chocolate with shortbread cookie. I don't know if they're good or not. I haven't ever tried them, but I can only imagine that they're delicious. So hopefully she'll like them. And it was kind of fun, Valentine-y. I also got her these. It's just mango. They are unsweetened and unsulfured, so whatever that means, but just mango. Champo, this isn't for you, baby boy. This isn't for my boy. My kids love, love, love these. I don't think I've ever been to Trader Joe's and not picked up these. Probably, but not often. They are the peanut butter filled pretzels. My kids love these, so I got one for each of them. One for both. And then I got some canned refried beans because I'll be able to eat those soon. These are fat-free refried beans. 120 calories per half a cup, which I won't be able to eat anything close to that. 22 carbs, 7 fibers, and 7 proteins. So that's a good choice for when I can have it. And then I got 2 cans of the organic northern beans. These are for the white chili. So yeah, 2 cans of those. And then, oh, I got these oven-baked cheese bites. These look fabulous, and they are just cheese. So it's just cheese. Inside this bag, you'll find crispy oven-baked cheese bites made with 100% cheese, perfect for snacking and crumbling on salads or sandwiches. So I thought this would be good to like use as maybe a dip or something, like when I can do it. I know I can't yet, but oh, they sound and look delicious. So I got 3 of those. I thought I'd send one to Katie because she'll probably like them, and then I'd keep the other 2 bags here just so we can have them. Oh, the refried beans I already showed you. Some green chilies. That is also for the white chili. And that is everything in that bag. So I think what I'm going to do is take the refried beans out, and I'm going to put Katie's stuff in this bag. So the hearts and the pretzels, the mango, plantains, the gummies. And also for Katie are these veggie straws, or veggie sticks. She loves these things, and they are delicious. I don't know what the stats are. There's 140 calories per 50 sticks, and there's 6 sticks per bag. So let's see, there are 18 carbs, 1 fiber, and 1 protein. So that's what these are. And I got 2 because my son likes them too. So I got him the veggie straws, the pretzels, and the gummies. And I'll put her, I got 2 bags of them. My camera died, sorry about that. So what I was saying, I think, was that I got Katie, I don't even know, but I finished my haul, and then now I'm back with you guys because I don't know what you guys missed. So let me go over what I got for Katie. I got her the cheese bites, the plantains, I think you guys saw those, the cookies, the veggie sticks, the pretzels, and these fruit and nut little discs. I'm not sure if you saw these. So these are just little hazelnut, dates, and cocoa discs. They are 80 calories, 1 gram of fat, 19 carbs, 5 fiber, and less than 1 protein. But I think that she will like these. There were 3 to choose from, and I picked the one that I thought that she would like the best. I know she likes dates, so I think that she'll like these. And they looked kind of interesting, and she could eat them on the go. And I know that she has a few days of class where she's in class all day and doesn't really have a good time for lunch. So I thought that, you know, some nice snacks would be good for her. I don't know if I showed you the red and yellow fire roasted peppers or the masala simmer sauce. I love this stuff. It's not the best stats. It has 90 calories per 1/3 cup and 11 carbs, 1 fiber, 2 protein. So it's not the best, but if you just use a little bit on your chicken, it's super good. So I don't know, that might be all right. And then I did get some pink salmon because, well, salmon is delicious. And now these stats are fabulous. There's 3 servings in here, 60 calories, 0 carbs, 13 proteins. So I could use this to make something mushy or pureed for when I'm able to do that. Same with the chicken, and I don't know if you guys saw this, but I got 2 cans of the premium white chunk chicken in water. They're 1/3 cup, 70 calories, 0 carbs, 12 proteins. So this is really good stuff too. And I think that that's everything. I don't think that I missed anything else now. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys try them, and I really can't wait to try these. These look fabulous. Just cheese bites, and you know, you can make your own cheese bites too, but sometimes it's nice to have things already ready and handy. So that's that. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.